Grizzly Industrial G5851Z 24.5 HP planer. 220V, 25 amps, single-phase heavy-duty cast iron construction throughout maximum cutting height, 8/1/4 maximum cutting width, 24 table is precision ground cast iron needed a machine to plane wide panels for tabletops. This is the best I've seen and does a great job, top quality and build to last.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.